Welcome back. We are now again in the redox reaction. We continue. The direct electron transfer means that in this case now the electrons move in this case from one substance directly to another substance, whereas the indirect one is where now we use your salt bridge or cables now to connect the two half cells. This is indirect, whereas this one is direct. We just take a solid. In this case, let's take your silver. Okay, let's take your zinc into silver nitrate. Now, in this case, when you write the balance equation, we will find that silver nitrate react with zinc solid, then it will form zinc nitrate, and then plus silver. Balancing this one, we will be now using 2 and 2, then the whole thing is balanced. Now if you remove the spectator ions in this case, we will be ending up with silver ion plus zinc, forming zinc ion plus 2 silver. Fine. Because we know that metals, as we know, they can only undergo oxidation. Obviously, in this case, zinc is oxidized and the silver ions in the solution will be reduced. It's confirmed by this. Also, if you look at the change in oxidation numbers, from +1 to 0, therefore there's a decrease in oxidation number, which is oxidation, and then therefore it means there's a decrease in oxidation number, which is reduction, not oxidation, reduction. Therefore silver ions are reduced, and then whereas from 0 to +2 there's an increase in oxidation number, which shows oxidation. Fine. If I have to write the half reactions from the two, you will find that now the 2 silver ions, just change in this case, 2 silver ions, obviously they will gain 2 electrons to form 2 silver, and then in the case of zinc, it means that zinc will be now oxidized to form zinc ion plus 2 electrons. Electrons are balanced, hence the equation. Fine. Then that is in terms of direct electron transfer. What can transpire in this section is where now they ask learners about name the, in this case number 1, oxidizing agent, and number 2, reducing agent. In this case, fine. Therefore, or maybe this one we can just say write down the observation. So observation when the whole thing takes place, observations just for 1 mark. Reducing oxidizing agent, remember, is the substance that is gaining electrons or is reduced. In this case is silver, therefore the silver ions will be the oxidizing agents. Reducing agent will be the substance that is losing electrons or is oxidized. In this case zinc is oxidized. Don't forget, reducing agents are on the right hand side of that electrode potential table. Write down the observation. In this case, when this is happening, we know that now the zinc metal will be covered with the layer of silver. Zinc electrode, in this case, or zinc bar, is covered or is layered with a mass or layer of silver, Ag. That is what is going to be seen when the reaction is taking place in this case. I think for the direct electron transfer, this is enough. Let's pause and then we'll talk about the indirect electron transfer. Don't forget where the cables are used and the salt bridge is used. We'll talk about that one. Thank you.